Welcome back, guys. In the previous video, we created different JavaScript files, and one of those files we created a header component. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys that how you can use different kind of functions into a component. So first, let me create that function over here. To create the function, I will be using the function, and this would be get value. Now let me put the parenthesis over here, and here I'm going to create a variable that would be get value, and let me use the prompt, enter the name of header, terminate it, and let me return the get value from here. Okay, now go into your component, and where you want to call this function, just change the content of that. So here I will be using the vanilla JS. As you all know, we can put our JavaScript code into HTML by using the curly braces. So I'm going to call that function, which is get value. Just put the parenthesis. Okay, and as you can see that our code has already been run. Here I'm going to say welcome to heaven. Okay, as you can see that welcome to heaven has appeared over here. So in this way you can create your own function and call into a React component. We will be calling the functions onto on click and on change events of HTML attribute. For the timing, just remember how to call a simple function into your React component. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video.